Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel once again. So we have chemistry question on the board for us to look at today. And this question is based on electronic configuration. We want to write down the configuration of chlorine in form of the shell and the soft shells, which means in form of the SPDF format and the KLMN word format. So stay with me. Now we have the question on board. We are told how to write down the electronic configuration of chlorine in SPDF and KLML, that is soft shells and shells. Okay. Now, what do you need first? You need to highlight the atomic number of chlorine, and the atomic number of chlorine is 17. Don't forget that. So, for us to present our answer in SPDF, what do we need? We need a table. I've done that before in my previous video. Okay. Now, this is what you do. You write down your S, then SP, you have your SPD, and you have your SPDF. All right. So according to the Pauli's equation principle or the quantum model theory, S subshells will occupy maximum of 2 electrons. Don't forget that we have done that in previous video. While P will occupy what? 6, and this is what 10, and this is what 14. Of course, we need to also put down the energy level for each line, or let me put it the subshells. Okay. Now we have 1 here, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, and 4. This is how your table will look like. So you will strike these guys in such a way that when you add the power together must be equals to 17. So you strike from top like this downward. What do I strike there? 1s. Write down your heart, 1s. But total number of electrons that s can occupy is what? 2. You put it there. You are done with that. You take to the next one. You also strike this. What do we have? 2s subshell, which is 2. Now you go to the next one, 2p. Then total number of electrons that p can occupy is what? 6. And we also have what? 3s2. So if you look at the power now, we already have 12. Okay, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 6 is what? 10, 10 plus 6 is what? So we need 5 more. So we go to the next one, you strike this, we have 3p. But because p, we only need 5, we don't need 6. So you can simply write your word 5. You don't need to put the 6. What this one is trying to tell you is that total number of electron, maximum electron that each substance can occupy is this. Do you get it? So just put your 5 here. So we are done with the configuration in SPDF format. This is how to represent that. All right. And then I want us to take it in KLML. So you may be wondering that why can't I go with KLML before the SPDF? I told you countless number of times that chemistry is not like that. You will need the second one to get the first one sometimes. So I always recommend students to start with the SPDF, which is soft shells, before getting to know more of what KLML what shells. Okay. And what do I mean by that? How do I present my answer in this form? So in KLMN now, this is what you need. If you look at this energy level, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, right? How many 1 do you have as energy level? It's just simple 1. What is on top? 2. Put a comma. How many 2 do you have as energy level? They are just 2. What's on top? Add the powers together. 2 plus 6 is what? 8. So how many 3 do you have as energy level? They are also 2. Add the powers together, we have what? 7. So this is the KLML. You can see, very simple. So we actually got this from the soft shells. All right. So that will mark the end of today's lesson. So be aware of another thing here is that the next class I'm going to be taking this in relation to how to determine the group and period to which each element belongs to. But this is how to present elements in the soft shells and the shells format. So if you have any question, kindly drop in the comment section. Don't forget to like my video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more of this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.